Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Aicharam Malayala. If you see here, I am here at the CSAB 2021 official website where seat allocation result for CSAB special round 1 is out now. So just click that and log into with your Gmail application number, password and security pin and click on login. You will get to know everything related to that. So let me just logging in with some details. Just check here, same like JOSA's, it will be same as it is. Click on seat allotment result. If you just check here, view seat allotment results. First we'll check this seat allotment. So previously it is IIIT Nagpur. Now he got upgraded to IIIT Sri City Chittoor. So under general AWS category, allotted quota is all India. Of course I said right, in special round there will be there won't be any kind of categories and only all India quota will be there. This mock test is totally different from others like Unacademy Super 20. So if you write this mock test which is starting from November 30 to December 12, so if top 500 rankers will get a chance to attend a 2-day in-person bootcamp. In these 2 days they will bear all the expenses for in-person bootcamp for 2 days, guidance, study plan and tricks from top educators, and secret sauce to crack JEE, an interactive session with Amaya Singhal. So he's the year 1 of JEE Mains 2021. So you will be having kind of discussion with him. It's a very great initiative by Unacademy, right? So try to write this particular Super 20 exam and try to be in the top 500 rankers. So you'll get personalized scoreboards and analysis by top educators. You'll get all India ranks and analysis will be there, and practice and crack win up to 100% scholarships. So if you want to enroll for this particular Super 20 exam, so you can use the links in the description and my code CharanYT, which is totally a free exam for all of you guys. So you can just download the allotment letter by clicking this. After that, willingness submission. So if you want to keep floating, sliding, freeze. Float means so I am accepting this seat. So if there is a possibility of seat which is above, if you just see here is option number is 18. So if we get something like any option in the above 14, so please allot above 17, please allot me that. If not, keep this 18th option as my final choice for the round 2. So that is what float. And slide is, so if there is an option, if for example if we kept IT or AC at the above this particular CSE option in IIIT Sri City, same campus different branch, if there is above in the above 17, if there is a same campus option with different branch, please allot me that. And freeze means I don't want to participate in another round, this seat is enough for me, I'm happy with it. That is what freeze is all about. Surrender and participate in the special round 2 is, so he don't want this particular IIIT Sri City CSC, so he just want to participate in the next round irrespective of the choice he gets above or below, but he don't want this as of now. He whatever he got allotted, he don't want that. That is what it means. And surrender and not participate, so whatever he got allotment he don't want that, and he also not wanted to participate in next round. In this case he will get they will deduct 6,000 rupees and he will get the remaining refund. So that is about willingness submission. He should complete this by according to the schedule. If you see 2nd December is the special round 1 result, right? Thursday. From 2nd to 4th, before 4th he need to submit this particular thing, float, or out of these 5 options he should select one and he should submit that. And the next comes to upload documents. This particular student already completed his document verification in JOSA, so he need not to do. So those who got newly allotted in this particular CSAB, they need to complete the upload documents. So whatever document, mainly they will ask you for class 12 mark sheet, class 10 mark sheet and state of eligibility, which is again the class 12 mark sheet. So these 3 they will ask, and also medical certificate. Related to medical certificate, I will be leaving the medical certificate format in the description, you can check out there. And coming to view payment details, this particular student already paid 40,000 in JOSA, 35,000 as a 35,000 as seat acceptance fee in JOSA, 40,000 as partial admission fee, and this particular amount 2,000 is registration for CSAB. Those who upload the documents newly, and if they find that any mistake is there in your documents, they will ask you to rectify that before 5th December 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So if you cross that, your seat will be cancelled and you will be out of the counseling. So that's all about the process. And after checking all these things, you can just log out. That's it guys. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.